back to a new video. Welcome to another amazing day. It's me. Today we're opening this. Forces of Nature! I was actually really excited because it has evolutions, Guardians Rising, plus Christmas Invasion, so yeah. And Forbidden Light. It got me a chance to get Yveltal. So yeah. And there will be calling on my watch because my dad's walking the dog. So yeah. So without further ado, let's open it. This might have to become this will become a part 2 because I cannot open it fully. But yeah. Oh, look at that. So we have the lovely Landos, Thundurus, and what's his other name? Tortoise. I'm gonna put this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's open this. Oh my gosh, I can't even open the key. Okay, there's the call key. Hi, Dad.
Hi, pretty face.
Okay, here's the loveliest Landos coin. Really cool. I love the coins. Now we have the pin, which is pretty cool of Landos. So yeah, now we get the lovely promos. Thundurus and Tortoise. We get Sun and Moon, regular, and evolutions. I want to, Forbidden Light. Guardians Rising. Another Forbidden Light. And Prism Invasion. And then we get, the code for you guys. There you go. And then we get this card, Jumbo card, which is pretty cool. Legendary Pokemon. Pretty cool. Okay, so the one I want to open the most is Evolution. So we'll start with that. Because that's the one I want to open. Of course, I hit the camera. It's so hard to open. I'm working out today, I promise. There we go. Hope you get a Charizard or a Venusaur since Venusaur's on there. Oh! You guys okay? The camera fell because I was hitting it. There we go. Okay, there's a lovely code card. Okay. Raticate, Magmar, Devolution Spray, Pokédex, Rattata, Weedle, Wartolo, Poliwag, I got another one. Ghastly and Coughing, Traverse, Rare. Wasn't bad, but it's okay. We'll do all the old packs, like Guardians Rising. Yes, Dad? Okay. There's a lovely code card. Ooh, you get a Fairy Energy. Watchog, Multi-Switch, Coma, Phantom, Barbo, Carving, Jagmo, Reverse Rare, yeah, and Walyog, non-hollow. It's not the best, but it's okay. Stop saying that, Dad! It's gross. Okay, well, it's not to a bad start, but yeah.
5
I'm
minutes
putting all
left.
the cards right there. Oh no. I should never did that. There you go. I guess we can do sun and moon. Ooh, actually first amazing. I really want to get Yveltal or another GX. So yeah. There we go. Is this sun and moon? Yeah. Okay. There you go. So sun and moon have to do that's the front. We get a fire energy, a Alolan Growlithe. I love it because it has eyebrows. Emolia, Larian, Weedle, and the Alolan Gen. Oh yeah, we got the evolved form. Cool. I always wanted that. Aragon, Ghastly. That's one of my favorite Pokemon. I have a reverse rare and Origu and Risen non-hollow, which is pretty cool. I have a mess here. To clean. There's my stack. The cards we got. Okay. Opening up Sun and Moon. Should we get Lunala or something? I want to get Lunala because I had Solgaleo. I have Solgaleo. But I want Lunala. At least a Lunala. There's a code card. Okay. Lightning Energy. Positive. Pokemon Capture. I have a ton of those. Fullbat. Performance. Normal. Scary. Oh, Poliwag looks pretty cool. Sandy Gas. Pepper. Non-hollow. Ah! Yeah. Yes, I'm okay.
What happened?
I just got the card I wanted.
What?
That is so cool, guys. So we opened the Lunala pack. That's a Sun and Moon. And we got Lunala GX.
I don't even know what that is.
Yeah, Dad doesn't know what that is. But look at it! I'm so hyped. If we can top it off with Yveltal or a Hyper Rare, this is the best. Fighting Energy, Judge, a lot of those. Magneton, Golot, Squirrel, Bergmite, Binacle, Minivee, Snover, Ultra Wrecking Squad, and a little Educator. It's not the best, but okay. We got that though. Please. Yveltal. We already got Lunala, which is pretty amazing. That's some luck. That is some luck. I'm really happy. So there you
Go, Rocky. We're gonna go now, Rocky. It's 10:43.
go. Leaf Energy. Ooh, that's the first time. Fossil, Accumate, Zygarde, Double Blade, Fennekin, Jubider, Pancham, Inkay, another Fennekin. Ooh, an Ultra Beast, and another Beastern. We got that Ultra Beast. So we didn't get everything, but the things I love the most that we got are these, cause look at that.
Stop, Rocky.
Plus, we got Lunala.
No, so excited.
Lunala! Out of the Lunala pack.
Keep going. No.
Which is amazing.
Stop. Nope.
I can't even explain it. Do you have another pack? No, we shouldn't have.
Stop, Rocky.
But that's amazing. Sorry for that, because, you know. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you have an amazing day. I have a lot of cleaning up to do. But yeah, see you guys next Wednesday. Bye. Peace. Oops. Peace.
I told you to go poo-poo.